Well, hello, YouTube family. This is Dave, old guy in the woods, and I am going to go kayaking today. So I'm going to take you with me. This is going to be in a little creek, not too far from where I live. It's called Cicero Creek, and I'm going to go about 4 miles from the Morse Reservoir Dam down Cicero Creek to the White River, and then back up. That's the plan. I don't know if I can make it. I don't know if there's trees down. I've never been on this little creek before. But we had a nice rain a day or two ago, and I checked the river level this morning, and it was a little bit over 3 feet, which should be fine. But I don't know if there's trees down or whatever. I've never been on this creek before, except for just a little bit of it. So listen, too much talking, not enough kayaking. So listen, guys, I'll check in with you in a little bit. Peace. So this is, on the other side of that is Morse Reservoir. That's a dam. Comes down here, and there's Cicero Creek. Let's see what it see, but I brought my gear down. I've got my life preserver, obviously my paddle. I brought a chair. I brought the stuff I gotta strap for my car, depending on if I come all the way back here or not. And then I got my beverage center there. I got a couple beers and a couple waters in there. So I just want to show you. I'm going to walk up the hill, show you where I got to carry this kayak down. It's a gravel path, but from where your car can go in, it's probably 200 yards. If you're watching this for the first, well, if you're watching this and you're from the area, I'm in Noblesville, Indiana. This gravel path is near the FOP building at the Morse Beach. So if you can find that building, it's just, if you're facing it, it's on the left hand side. And there you go. So like I said, it's about 200 yards from where you can drop off the kayak and then walk down this thing. It's going to be a pain in the neck to be carrying that kayak up, I can tell you that. So at any rate, I'll check in with you when I'm down back at the river and ready to take off. Peace out. Okay guys, here we go. Stuck in some rocks, but there's a nice little pattern here. Gotta get going. Come on. Whoa. And we're off. Alright. Shallow here, man. Very shallow, but good current. Oh yeah. A lot of smallmouth bass in this creek. Whew. I'm tired carrying that boat down. It's a lot of work. Beach ball dragging already. Oh man, this is shallow right here. Let's hope it opens up a little bit, a little deeper. Deeper. All right. There's a lot of small fish. All right, and we're off. So, a little camping area over there. Not level at all. But hey, what do I know? All right, guys, I'll check in with you a little bit. All right, guys, so I'm paddling on this Cicero Creek, and I am seeing tons and tons of fish swimming around. Tons. I mean, from little minnows to bigger size ones to big ones. Like I saw 2 gigantic catfish. Saw a lot of, it looked like carp and some bass. Just a whole bunch of them. I'm gonna see if I start seeing them more. I'm gonna try to videotape some of them swimming by. Schools of them, like with 20 all together swimming, and catfish behind them trying to chase them down. So it's a beautiful area, and I'm loving this creek so far. So I'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay, well, I'm all stuck. I was going so good for so long here. Okay, now I'm going again. I think I'm gonna have to get out. I'm still going, probably. Yeah, definitely gonna have to get out. There's tons and tons of rocks up here. I think if I have to go to the left here. Okay, well, I made it as far as I can make it. Lots of rocks, debris, more rocks. So I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out and pull it at least through this area over here, and then hopefully right in there I can get back in and go scoot up my way the rest of the way. There we go. Well, I've been doing more walking with this thing through the rocks than actually in the boat paddling. It's been a pain in the neck. It's a beautiful river, beautiful area, but let me flip this around. So, if you can see way back there, all those boulders, I had to walk all the way through there, and I'm kind of stuck right now. Right there, pretty shallow. Looks like it opens up farther down there, but that's what I was hoping it did here. So, it is a beautiful area though. All the woods back in there. Nice little sand or rock bar right over there. Ah, boy. Okay, well, let me get to pulling this thing and see if I can make it down there. All right, guys, so I think I made it through the worst of the boulders. That's my boat scrapes some more. But it's gonna be a heck of a 4 miles. As I mentioned before, I either have to go, once I get to where I want to go, that's 4 miles. And then to where the pickup is another 3 miles, so that would be 7 total. Or if I turn around and head upriver on this and just go back to my car, that would be 8 miles total. Right now, it's too shallow, and I'm stuck again. Dang it. Let's see if I can get out of here without capsizing. Big boulders in the water. Big boulders. Everywhere I look. Fish, fish, and fish. Alright, well, I'm going again. It's a lot of work. Jeez. Alright, I'll check in with you guys. See ya. Trying to get some of these fish that I see in the water. I hear a boat or something coming. Maybe somebody's cutting the grass or something up there. Well, been paddling pretty good. Nice breeze, shaded here. Right ahead I see a whole bunch of rocks again. So I'm probably gonna have to walk again. I was worried about trees being down and stuff. Not the trees, these boulders in the water. Cicero Creek, Noblesville, Indiana. Yep, definitely gonna have to walk here. I see a little opening over here. Maybe I can get through there. Maybe. Going under my first bridge up here. This might be the bridge that's near, I think it's Hague and Route 38. You can see it up there. Way up there. There you go. It's like Hague and Route 38 in Noblesville. There's a little park there that's got trails, and my beautiful wife and I were on it this weekend. So I don't know if that's it. I'm thinking it is. I think it is. Alright guys. That's that. See ya. More rocks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably get out and walk up here also. That's beautiful. Now I wonder if you can put in at this park that I just passed by Hagen 38. It may be doable, the rest of the way. I don't know. We'll see if there's more boulders or whatever. So we got another bridge up here. I think this is Route 32 in Noblesville, Indiana. Pretty shallow water, probably a foot and a half. Going through it. More fish, some striped bass looks like. This fish is known, or this river is known for its smallmouth bass. So I'm sure there's plenty of those I've seen. This is definitely deeper right here. Definitely deeper. But as I go into the bridge, it gets real shallow. A lot of rocks. I gotta pull it again. Yikes. There I go again. A little deeper right here, so that's good. Definitely be some fish underneath this bridge. Looks like it gets real shallow again before I get out the other side, so. Yep, I'm gonna be walking here. Okay, I'll check in with you in a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, well, feels like I'm paddling, I don't know, 40 feet, and then I'm walking 40 feet, and then I'm paddling 40 feet, and I'm walking 40 feet. So like even right now, it's getting a little deeper, but there's just giant boulders all over the place. Now it's, wow, it's probably about 6 feet right there, surprisingly. So, getting farther away from the main roads in Noblesville. And nice little island up here coming up, or I don't know if it's an island or a just a sandbar, I'm not sure. Guess what? I may have to, come on. Here we go, okay, got through that. Trees on this little sandbar. Some greenery. Looks like a nice little area right there. I might have to stop there in the shade and take a look. Let me flip this around. Alright, so I had to get out and walk again. And I looked up. A big tree across for about the 4th time. Oh boy. So, let's see what we got here. I'm not having fun in this river. I mean, it's beautiful, but man alive, it is fighting me tooth and nail. Come on, boat, let's go. So, man, this is, I hope I can go under it. I went over the last one. Actually, I went under 2 of them. Had to go around 3. Here's another, there's like 3 trees here and then a bunch of flood debris that's caught up in it. It looks like I could get under it. Let me get my boat. Oh, maybe. It looks like there's more than 3 trees, probably about 6. Water's cold right here. Deeper too. Shit. I think this is my only choice, is to go over towards that way right there. See if I can get under it. Oh boy. So, alright. I'm gonna try it. Alright, well, I'm back in the boat. I'm gonna try it here. I have No idea. That is really low. I do see a little bit opening on the left side here. Oh boy, this is gonna be tough. Shit. I don't know, man. Shit. I may have to just get out of the boat and walk it through these trees. That little opening right there. Oh, that's small. And then there's more. I gotta get this one up. Oh, shit. Trying to get over this one here. Okay. Got under that one. Wow, what a quagmire. Just take a look at this. I'm in this triangle of down trees here. That's what I just went under. I'm gonna try to go through this little way here. Oh man. So, boy. And then I'm looking to see what's, gotta go under that as well. Wow, wow, and wow. Okay. I don't know if I can, I'm gonna have to put my tripod down. So it's not gonna make it the way it is. So I put that down. Okay, tripod's down. Angle it towards this thing here. Okay, nose is under it. Come on. Okay. I don't know, even know if my chair will make it under it. Shit. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to get out here, boys and girls, because I gotta fold my seat down. I don't know if. Okay. I'm out. Okay. All right. Fuck. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay. All right. More trees down up there. Hold on, boats. This is getting kind of deep. Okay. Okay. Wow. Shit. Okay. Let me go underneath this thing here. God. I can get back. Whoa. Whoa. Back in my boat here. Sorry about the camera work, guys. I'm trying not to tip my boat. Still recording. Jeez. Gotta hold my seat up. Come on. I can't believe I got my phone again. And it's still working. Okay. I gotta stop this. Alright, so I dropped my phone in the water twice. This last time it was in about 4 feet of water. You see how wet my shirt is. I had to reach down there and, you know, find it in the sand. And it was still recording, so I don't know, my battery's about ready to go dead. So I'm getting awfully close to where Uncle Rich and I camped. I think I see the lake, and I'm gonna stop there, and I need to have a beer, dry off a little bit. Shit, I am wet, I'm tired, I'm ready to get to the White River so I can just book to the takeout point. This has been tough. Cicero Creek kicked my butt. I think this is above here, right here is where we camped. Alright, so this is the little island that we camped at. It's got some greenery now, it didn't when we were here. And I'm gonna stop here and have a beer. Make sure all my stuff is in the canoe. Make sure it doesn't sell out. Oh, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna be dragging here. Okay. Yeah. That's definitely the island where we camped at. Alright, so this is about where Rich had the hammock on the ground. My tent was over here. See if our fire pit's still there. We did have a pretty good rain. Well, we left some wood here. There's our fire pit. He's been here since. So, yeah. My tent was right over here. I'll be back here this weekend doing another camp, but I won't be coming in Cicero Creek, that's for doggone sure. Alright guys, well, I stopped on the island and I'm having a beer. Fair movie lines. After this trip, I need a beer. I mean, I'm kind of in a rush, but Uncle Rich will understand. Sorry, buddy. Uncle Rich is the one picking me up. Ah, boy, that's good. So it's 4:13 right now. I've been paddling for 4 hours and about 4 hours. Oh, I got some Cheez-Its, extra crunchy. I'm going less than a mile an hour. Cicero Creek just kicked my ass, man. Holy smokes. I don't know. Beautiful river though. Seen a lot of fish, a couple beavers. But man, the boulders, the shallow water, the trees. Oh my God, the trees. Wow. I hate to say it, but I don't think I'll ever do that trip again. High water or not, the trees are just, that's a deal breaker right there. Because either you go underneath, you go over, or you go around. And none of those options are usually really good. So anyway, okay, I'll check in with you when I'm to the White River. I'm not too far because I know I got to go around this bend here, and it's up probably less than a quarter of a mile. And then once I get to the White River, I won't have to get out again. I can another 3 miles to 146th Street. So, at any rate, hey guys, thanks for joining me on this journey. Holy shit, what an adventure! Oh boy. It's an awesome little island. I'll be camping here again this weekend, I said. But I won't be coming down Cicero Creek, that's for doggone sure. Hi. Alright guys, so I did what I wanted to do. I wanted to go down Cicero Creek, which, you know, if you look up Cicero Creek on YouTube, there's only a handful of videos, and a couple of them have no sound at all, so they're just going down the river. And I knew that I just needed to go down there. Yeah, that was me, okay? I'm sorry I farted. I just had a beer and I've been working all day. So I've been on the river for about 5 hours now. I've gone about 5 miles, 5.5 miles, something like that. Currently on the White River. But I wanted to go down Cicero Creek because, number one, it intrigues me. It's not too far from my house at all. And I know it connects with the White River, and I thought, I just want to try it because the White River can get so busy. And if I can go down the Cicero Creek to get to my hidden campsite, I'd like to do it. Unfortunately, I can't do it. You saw from the trees down, the boulders, shallow water, all that stuff. It doesn't matter if there's high water or not, those trees are still going to be there. And it basically makes it impossible to really go that way to get to the island where we camp at. So I guess we're relegated to go down the White River, which I love. I absolutely love the White River. But boy, it can get busy, and I'm sure there'll be people on it when we put in on Sunday night. But we will do that and go down and then go up Cicero Creek, how we did the last time, to our island and camp there. So, hey guys, if you're still watching this, thank you very, very much. I'm up to like, I don't know, 65 or 66 subscribers. I can't believe there are 66 people that really give two craps about what I'm doing, especially stuff like this, like out in the woods and stuff, and on the river. And hey guys, it's a beautiful evening here on the White River. I don't know, temperature's probably 78, 80 degrees. The dew point is low, the humidity is low, there's a breeze, it's shady. I mean, it is just, it's perfect on here on the White River. And I love this river. I just love it. Cicero Creek kicked my ass today. Absolutely, no question about it, kicked my ass. I couldn't wait to get to the White River so that I could just paddle freely and not have to get out of my kayak. But, I mean, there was a ton of fish on Cicero Creek. But man, the boulders, the shallow water, and then the trees across. Holy smokes. I literally dropped my phone twice in the water. First time was only in a foot of water, and I was able to grab it real fast, and it still worked. The next time was in like 4 feet of water, and I had to dig down. I couldn't feel around. I had to feel around on the sandy bottom, praying that I could find my phone. I found it. Pull it up. Still recording. I have no idea. So, anyway, I mean, it's an Apple phone. I have an OtterBox on it. I don't know if it was the Apple phone or if it was the OtterBox that basically saved my phone, but here it is right here. And yeah, it's still on. Still works. Battery's almost dead, but still works. So anyway, hey, I'm babbling. Less babbling and more kayaking, okay? Okay, so I'm probably half an hour from my takeout. What a day. Wow, what a great adventure. I just can't believe it, but I have to because I went through it. I'm glad I videotaped a lot of it. I don't know what's going to get in this thing, but hey, guys, like, subscribe, please tell your friends. I'm not selling nothing. I don't have a merchandising store. I don't have a Patreon page. Nothing. All I know is I can't afford a GoPro, so I have to use a phone. And my phone is not waterproof. Well, maybe it is. I didn't know it. So. Anyway, all right, guys. Hey, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. All right, my son came and picked me up. Say hi, Tom.
Hey.
All right, I'm gonna get my boat up there. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.